How to fix connection to the server failed error when logging into matches and lobbies in Fortnite. Here are some tips that would help you fix connection to the server failed error when logging into matches and lobbies in Fortnite. 1. Close then relaunch your game later. 2. Please do backup exiting router settings. Then reset your router. And enable NAT or quality of service, QoS, in your router admin page. 3. For PS5/PS4 players, rebuild current game database for your game. 4. Update your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Also, upgrade your OS. 5. For mobile players, clear your game's cache.